I'm Valerie Stover, Senior Manager of Digital Marketing at Affordable Care. The problem that we were trying to solve or replace was Yext. We also, at the same time, needed a different social media platform for our practices, one that was location-based, not user-based. We needed to limit the amount of tools that my practices and my team were using. A culmination of all the things that makes SOCi really great. SOCi has more channels that we can plug into. We have expanded reach in our listing. 20% lift in our leads and our patients, walking in the door that we're able to attribute to the actual listing. And with SOCi Shield, we're able to plug in brand guardrails and HIPAA guardrails. And then Genius, which is allowing us to make updates pretty much on the fly. Since the moment I saw the first demo, I needed to have the agents. And it's a combination of people, right? You need more people to do the things, but we have a mission. We want our people to do the care. We want them to provide the service. We want them focused relentlessly on patient care. Essentially, in my mind, it will enable my team of one to do the same thing as a team of 10. What we're trying to do is maintain the strategy in-house to focus on the big ideas, to see the big picture and inform the agents, ask the questions to help build the strategy, then deploy the agents, and then rinse and repeat, right? 400 agents times 3, 1,200 agents are out working for us. Yes, everything's localized, but they're all learning. Agents is gonna change everything.